Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Devon's Chess, and today I've come back with another interesting chess endgame puzzle, and this is white to move and mate black in 2 moves. So it's a 2-mover. White has to move and mate black in 2 moves. White has a queen and a rook, black has 2 rooks and a pawn, but we are saying white has to win this. It's a bit tricky, but I want you guys to first try to solve it by yourselves before we solve it together. So if you don't mind, pause the video, try to solve it, and then come back when you've found it. Good luck. Alright, so did you find the 2 moves that white has to play to mate black? Please let us know in the comment section what you found. Don't mind whether what you found is wrong. It could be wrong, but having a very good variation that you have not talked about in the video. And do not forget to like the video and also subscribe. We have hit 50 subscribers. Let's reach 100. Okay, so let's try to solve it together. So first and foremost, you could think of capturing the rook on b8, but then when you capture the rook, black is going to capture back, and there's no mate in the next move because black can escape to c7. So that's not the move we are looking for. And then you could think of playing e5. The idea of e5 is that you threaten the rook on b8, and then as well as protecting your rook on h8. So that if black plays a random move, for example, black plays this any random move, you could actually mate black. And if black tries to capture, your rook on h8, you could mate from h8, right? But then black is also smart. Black is just going to come and play a4 and check you, and then you're going to waste your second move trying to run away from the check. Those are 2 moves for white, and there's no mate, so that's not the move we are looking for. Okay, let's try another. You could think of playing rook e8. The idea of e8 is that if black captures, you get to mate, but black is not going to do that. Black is just going to play a move like this, and you can't mate in the next move. If you capture, black captures back, and there's no mate in the next move, right? So let's try to get another move that we could win this game for. We are going to look for a move that will prevent black from checking us, and as well as taking over this lane. And that move preferably is queen to e8. The idea of queen to e8 is that black can't check us anymore from here, and then we also threaten this as well. Let's try to see. If black tries to check us here, we get to capture, and that's mate, right? And if black tries to capture our queen, we capture back, and that's mate. So whatever black tries to do, even if now black tries to move the pawn, you just capture, and that's mate. So whatever black tries to do, you get to mate in the next move. So that was the solution for the puzzle. Do not forget to like the video. Let us know what you found. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe. Let's hit 100 subscribers. Until next video, have a good day.